there's Chao here with Centerpoint IT. So let's talk about going tiny for your Windows 10 Pro upgrades and your new business workstation needs. Let's face it, bigger is not necessarily better. If that was the case, this would be my new current smartphone. Luckily, I don't have to carry this in my pocket every day to stay connected. Likewise, you don't have to have a monster of a PC on your desk for the latest powerful computing options, thanks to the new Lenovo Tiny. Now you can think small when it comes to powerful computing, at 96% the size of a traditional PC. Fits almost anywhere behind a monitor, under a desk, or pop it into one of the Lenovo all-in-one monitors with either touchscreen or non-touchscreen with built-in camera and speakers. Makes it really, really simple. Centerpoint is standardized on 2 models for our customers to make it easy: a powerful i5 Tiny workstation for traditional business needs, and a souped-up i7 Tiny with an advanced graphics card and additional RAM for users with intense graphics processing needs, such as video editing and renderings. These workstations include super fast, reliable SSDs or solid-state drives that avoid the slowness and reliability issues of your traditional spinning drives. Plus they come with 8 gigabytes of RAM standard or 16 gigabytes of RAM standard depending on the model. And it's expandable RAM with also multiple monitor support on both models. So if you're looking at the need to upgrade your Windows 7 machines, these units were designed with Windows 10 Pro in mind. Whether you're using the all-in-one monitors or taking advantage of touchscreen functionality, or just need to ensure your workstation's drivers are optimized for Windows 10 Pro for smooth operations, these Tinys are up to the task. Also, we have a few cutting-edge Lenovo laptop models we can talk through based on individual needs, from the super lightweight and tough carbon to the flexible yoga laptop that's a laptop and a tablet built into one. So here's something to think about. Here's a quick fact, and here's what we're seeing in practical application as well, is if your current workstations are Windows 7 Pro and over 3 years old, they most likely were not designed with Windows 10 Pro compatibility baked in to the hardware or the drivers. So do not risk the headaches and the compatibility issues and the glitches associated with upgrading an old Windows 7 machine that's over 3 years old to Windows 10. It's just not worth the heartburn for your users or for yourself. So now's the time. Leading up to the Windows 7 deadline, we've replaced over 1,000 workstations and laptops, and we have about 1,000 to go with our customers. Really, it's caused a huge spike in demand. We've seen it, and the prices have been going up. So we went to Lenovo and said, okay, if we do a large purchase in Q4 before the deadline and make one large buy for our customers, can we negotiate some discounts? They were open to that, and we may be able to get pre-price increase or even better, depending on how many users are willing to commit. So what we're asking right now is who is interested and how many workstations and laptops you're looking to replace. This will help us more accurately judge the interest and negotiate the right price for everybody. If you're interested, just simply email your company name, best contact info, and how many PCs and laptops you are looking to replace before the end of the year. We need to have this information by October 30th. That's our deadline. And just love to hear from you on that. And just thanks for listening today. Look for more useful content in your inbox or on the Centerpoint IT blog.